MetaHumans are Epic Games' system for creating high-quality digital humans for Unreal Engine. They are not just character models. They include a face rig, body rig, materials, hair, levels of detail, and an animation framework built for real-time production. That created the central tension. Epic gave artists speed, believable humans, consistent rigs, and Unreal-ready assets. But artists wanted ownership, custom likenesses, scans, stylized sculpts, and eventually full custom meshes inside the MetaHuman ecosystem. This is the story of how MetaHuman customization evolved. It began as a fast character creator, but the community quickly pushed towards something harder, bringing their own characters into the MetaHuman system. In 2021, the breakthrough was accessibility. MetaHuman Creator made high-quality digital humans dramatically faster to build. Instead of months of character work, artists could blend faces, bodies, skin, eyes, teeth, and hair in minutes. But the first versions had a boundary. You could customize within Epic's design space, but you could not simply import any scan, sculpt, custom head, or full character mesh and expect it to become a MetaHuman. From 2021 through 2024, the challenge became pipeline survival. Artists wanted the MetaHuman rig, DNA system, facial animation, LODs, grooms, materials, and Unreal integration. Their custom characters did not naturally fit those assumptions. This is where MetaPipe-style workflows entered the story. They helped automate painful MetaHuman customization tasks, topology handling, skeletal mesh to DNA connections, optimization, and process automation around an otherwise fragile pipeline. Mesh Morpher pushed the same problem from another angle. It gave Unreal artists deformation and shape editing tools for refining meshes while trying to preserve production-ready behavior. Customization was no longer just art. It was engineering. The reason those tools mattered is that the problem was structural. A sculpt can look correct, but MetaHuman quality depends on a specific rig, topology, facial description, and animation system. Looks alone were not enough. Then Epic started closing the gap officially. Mesh to MetaHuman allowed artists to create a MetaHuman identity from mesh data, using import, neutral pose tracking, identity solving, and auto-rigging to connect custom source data to the MetaHuman pipeline. That bridge helped, but artists still crossed it carefully. It remained a multi-step technical workflow. It was not yet the simple dream, bring in my full custom character and get back a production-ready MetaHuman. At the same time, MetaHuman Animator raised the stakes. As high-quality facial performance capture became more accessible, the value of being inside the MetaHuman ecosystem increased. Custom characters had even more reason to join it. With Unreal Engine 5.6, the structural shift was local, in-engine creation. MetaHuman Creator moved directly into Unreal Engine, bringing authoring, assets, identity, assembly, and iteration much closer together. After that, Wrap and ZWrap became much stronger bridges. Wrapping workflows existed before, but UE 5.6 made them more practical. Artists could conform scans and sculpts toward usable topology, then iterate closer to the local MetaHuman pipeline. Topology was the hidden battle. A scan preserves likeness, a sculpt preserves style, but a production rig needs predictable structure underneath. Wrapping was not just shape matching, it was pipeline translation. Then in UE 5.8, from custom mesh moved the bridge inside. MetaHuman 5.8 introduced a full-body custom mesh workflow that accepts custom topology input, conforms head and body together, and outputs a rigged MetaHuman on standard MetaHuman topology. The change is simple to say, but huge for production. Arbitrary mesh in, MetaHuman out. Inputs can come from scans, DCC sculpts, generated meshes, or existing character conversions, with solving and refinement keeping the result inside the ecosystem. The big pattern is that Epic absorbed the workaround. What began as a bounded creator became a broader character pipeline. Custom character art did not disappear. The technical distance between custom art and a production-ready MetaHuman got shorter.